Welcome back. Now, one of the things that Etsy will do is it will allow you to connect your opportunity to sell in person with your Etsy store. If you come all the way to the bottom in your shop manager, you're going to see that there's a link there that says sell in person. And Etsy offers a connection to a Square account. And if you have a Square account, you can connect that Square account to your Etsy account. If you don't have a Square account, you can sign up for one here in this area. Now, in order to sign up, depending on when you're seeing this video, you will need your email and you will need to pass on some identifying information. Now, this identifying information does not mean that you will be checked for your credit. Square will ask you some details about your business. You'll then need to write in your identifying information, and in that information, you'll need to put in your identifying number. If you're in the United States, that would be your Social Security number. You can then determine how soon you want to be paid, then click Continue. You'll then be asked to link up your bank account. Now, to verify, Square wants you to make sure that you've got at least $1 in your account so that they can withdraw 1 cent in order to verify your account. You can then send for a Square reader in order to take payments in person. You'll need to choose a specific card reader, and then you'll need to determine where you want the card reader to be sent. You'll then connect your Etsy account to your Square account, and you will then be connected in order to sell offline, and you can use your reader in order to take payment and have products from your Etsy store sold in person. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.